Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today, I wanted to talk to you about Medicaid estate recovery. But before I do, I invite you to schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. So a common question that I get when we are preparing a client with Medicaid planning is, can Medicaid recover against my estate? I heard they can file a lien and they're going to get all their money back. And so is this really worth it? I want to make sure that my family isn't left destitute because Medicaid upon my passing will come and take all my legacy money. And so, Florida statutes does govern Medicaid recovery. It is Chapter 409 if you wanted to look it up. But yes, Medicaid in Florida can recover against your estate, but only your probate estate. Other states around the country have what they call an expanded Medicaid recovery. We do not have that here in the state of Florida. Medicaid is limited to your probate estate. Also, Medicaid will not seek recovery if you have a surviving spouse, if you leave behind a special needs person, a dependent that is a special needs child, whether an adult or adult child or a minor child, or if you also have a child that's under 21. So if you pass away and you have somebody that's under 21 that's a dependent of yours, special needs person, or surviving spouse, Medicaid is not going to seek Medicaid recovery, estate recovery in your case. But if you don't qualify for any of those things and you are a Medicaid recipient, Medicaid could make a claim against your probate estate. And that's really an important distinction because there are many things that are not probate assets in the state of Florida. For instance, your homestead, that is not a probate asset. Accounts that you own as joint tenants with rights of survivorship. That rights of survivorship takes it out of probate. Those are not probate assets. Also, if you engage in estate planning and create a revocable trust that you fund with your assets and put it in trust, you have, by the act of putting it in your revocable trust, those are not probate assets. So while you can change it during your lifetime, upon your passing, they are taken out and they're not available for probate. So there is a way to make sure with proper planning that your estate is not subject to any Medicaid recovery. So I just wanted to encourage you that if Medicaid is something that you would benefit from, meaning that you really have those long-term care needs, and yet you still want to make sure that you leave a legacy to your family, with proper planning, we can ensure that you do have the benefits of both worlds. So if this information has been helpful to you, I ask that you like and share with others, and feel free to join me for a free strategy session at eldermeeting.com. Thanks for joining me.